The Somali people have lived in conflict for over 2 decades. During this period, government institutions like the judiciary and the security apparatus collapsed. The justice sector needed to be rebuilt from the ground up. Increasing the number of qualified law enforcement officers, lawyers and judges is key in building a robust legal system. After signing the New Deal Compact in 2013 during the Brussels conference, signs of recovery from the effects of the protracted conflict now can be seen. Security, justice and the rule of law was one of the key goals that the 2013 Brussels conference identified among the 5 peace-building and state-building goals, PSGs, in the New Deal Compact for Somalia. On the security and the rule of law goal, the government, its people and the international community aim to create a secure, peaceful and just society. When it comes to justice, we give training to the police and advise them to uphold the rule of law. In the Criminal Investigations Department, which does investigations, people need to be given equal chances and to be treated fairly. It is upon the CID to do justice to all parties concerned, and they are given adequate training to do so. We believe that they have been well equipped to be just and adhere to the rule of law so as to contribute to the justice system. The UNDP has played a key role in supporting the security, rule of law and justice as a joint program on rule of law. The integrated components of the program were the provision of support to the establishment and strengthening of legal aid centers, strengthening policing and the establishment of mobile courts. In late 2013, the UNDP established the Puntland Legal Clinic, which aimed to provide students with practical experience by working with clients going through the formal courts. Dama Tajir Haji has gained from this project. She would have lost a domestic abuse case against her husband owing to the lack of finances to pay legal fees.
What forced me to seek help from the legal aid office is that I was beaten by my husband. He injured me, even the eyes, I remember. The legal aid team used to visit us every Thursday and they explained to us how we could get legal representation and different services they offer. On the other hand, while I had knowledge, I had a fight with my husband and I sought help from them. After I called the legal aid for assistance, they came on time, helped me through filing of the case, and gave me legal assistance, which was done in a good manner, since I could not afford to access legal help on my own. They gave me financial help by hiring a lawyer, which I could not afford on my own. As a result of the support I got, I have won the case against my husband.
There are also cases involving the IDPs which we cannot resolve amongst ourselves, so we call for help from the Legal Aid Center so as to get them settled without going to police stations. They do visit us and resolve the cases without any payment. In addition to lack of access to affordable justice, another key challenge facing many citizens, especially those in the remote areas, is access to judicial institutions. The program introduced mobile courts to mitigate these challenges. The project has been ongoing for a while. In the last 1 year, the mobile court has handled 823 cases. We have 6 mobile courts that are working across the regions. Most areas were taken over by the militants, becoming occupied territories. In order to bring stability and provide security to the Somali citizens, the UNDP supported the training of fresh police graduates, equipping police volunteer units and strengthening community policing. With an equipped, unified and competent police force and an accessible, affordable justice system, the Somali people are now looking at a new possibility of a just, peaceful and stable Somalia.